Good afternoon, this is Ken Larson with Hunter Engineering. I'm sitting here with Ron Sloan with Crain Hyundai in Fort Smith. Ron has been kind enough to let us walk through the entire dealership today. Mario is going to walk with Ron through the service department and go over all the new equipment there and everything they have done. It's a beautiful dealership and the layout is really stunning to see. Then we're going to get in depth on the quick check drive. Then we are going to have DJ, one of the service advisors, walk through an actual service bay entrance from a vehicle, how he's been handling it through the processes that Ron set up, and just show us the layout of that.
Hey, thank you for joining us. This is Mario from Hunter, and I'm joined here with Ron from Crain Group. We are sitting here in the new Crain Hyundai store, brand new facility, and we want to thank you guys for putting in the Hunter equipment. One of the things we want to highlight first here is the new quick check systems with quick tread edge that we've got in here. As you can see, it checks alignment and it checks the tires as you drive through the system. There's 16 lasers that go across this thing on both sides, so 32 lasers in all that check your alignment as you drive through. Also, we have this system on the floor which shoots up and gets a good measurement, very accurate measurement of your tire wear. And this is to hopefully show customers as they come through what is going on with their car, the snapshot of how their car is performing. So we are now into the alignment bay area of the new Crain Hyundai store. And as you can see, they have the newest drive-on rack, scissor rack that we have. And then this is actually a aligner and a ADAS, Advanced Driver Assist Systems, recalibration center. So not only can you perform alignments with this system, you can actually reset all your driver assist systems as far as eyesight, forward-facing, rear-facing cameras, rear blind spot monitors, all that kind of stuff can be done just from this new state-of-the-art equipment that we've installed for the Crain Group in this store. And as we go over this real quick, we want to get with Ron and see how this system has been working for you guys, and hopefully it's been well.
Yeah, this has been working great. The guys love it. The tablet that they can take off and take with them to the car and work under the car with the tablet, they love that feature.
Absolutely, and that makes it for easy operation. They can see what they're doing in the back of the vehicle while they're doing the alignment, simply by using this tablet right here. And they can control everything from the alignment side with this tablet while they're back there. So a lot of cool features, a lot of great convenience.
Yeah, absolutely.
So in here, we are now in the tire station or tire wheel station for the new Crain Hyundai store. As you can see, they have the state-of-the-art new Maverick tire changing system. This is a center clamp design. It is designed so that all your touch points on the wheel are designed not to scratch the surface or damage the surface. So great machine, able to do all types of tires, wheels, combinations. So great process. It's a very efficient machine, helps to speed the process up, especially when it's paired with one of our Road Force Elite balancers. This balancer is a complete no-measure drop hood system, measure the wheel as it's going down. Does have the wheel lift optional, and it does have the hammerhead up top. And we also have our newest and latest and greatest brake lathe. This is a bench lathe. It is actually able to do drums here, rotors here. It is a tablet system, and it does have what we call anti-chatter technology, which helps with noise and vibration when you're redoing brake rotors. So this is one of the best machines out there on the market today for turning rotors and or drums.
So I'm with DJ here, part of the team, the service team that works for Ron. We've kind of gone over the people side of this, how important that is, and I know you know that.
Oh yeah.
Because you can put all this stuff in here, if no one does their job or just lets it go, it's a moot point.
Yes, sir.
What we're going to do with DJ is we're going to pull a vehicle in here and we're going to run it through the QCD tread checker, and then he's going to go in there on his computer and walk through the issues that vehicle may or may not have. If you've dealt with one of our quick check drive treads or not?
I have. I've worked at some at a couple other dealerships. They're great to have. I mean, customers love it. They know what their car looks like, what condition the tires are in, alignment. It's great. Customers love it.
As far as the technology, the flight boards that you guys put up, that not everyone's had. This is fair, you know, this whole new system is fairly new. Do they appreciate that?
Oh, they love it because they pull right in here and they can immediately see what's on the screen, and it saves them time.
And you've seen your alignments and tire sales go up, I would imagine, fairly quickly.
Yeah, they've gone up quite a bit for sure, tremendously.
Well, we appreciate your all's
Yes,
business, and just keep up the good work.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You betcha.
So here on your Dodge Ram here, we got, as you drove in, it checks your alignment and your tire tread. Your tire tread's registering at 3s all the way around, except for your right rear is at a 2. So we're going to recommend replacement on that tire. Your alignment also, it measures your alignment, shows your alignment is out. You can see your front camber here is measured out. Your right camber is good and your front total toe is in where it needs to be. So we're going to recommend 4 tires. I'll price quote those for you, as well as alignment while you're here today. And I'll also print this off for you and you'll have a copy for your records.
Sitting here with Ron, we've been discussing just the improvements we've seen. And I want to touch on just how much has gone into this new dealership. You obviously have a brand new dealership built from scratch. Now that it's done, you have all your equipment out there. You have your people over here. The equipment you put in was all new. You got a Hunter Engineering QCD quick check drive tread machine, a Hunter Maverick tire changer, a Road Force Elite balancer, brake lathe, and the UADS Hawkeye Elite alignment machine. That's almost a whole system by itself with the QCD. It works interchangeably, trying to push business from one end of the service to the other. And you all put this new service bay out here, which is fantastic. The main thing we've seen just talking to you is the improvement in the alignments and the tire sales.
Right.
But as far as the alignments, the location before, that was almost like a secondary type of business for you, is that correct?
Yeah, it was like if someone bought a set of tires, then we did an alignment with it, if usually. But other than upselling alignments or recommend alignments, we didn't do much of that.
So now what I've seen is you put the processes in, and again, this, I can't stress this enough, is people.
Yeah.
And you know, you're the team leader and the teamwork. You guys have all these processes in, and within, I think you had 3 weeks of last month to count for the full month. And you saw almost 80 alignments in that first month.
Yep, in about 3 weeks we did about 79, 80 alignments, 20 something sets of tires, and then we did some rebalances, things like that also. So,
which is really just staggering numbers, and it's been fun for us to watch you guys do that. But
yeah.
Like I say, what I just keep stressing is if you don't have the people doing that job, the equipment's completely irrelevant.
Exactly.
And the tires, you've been running specials on that too, so you've kind of doubled down on all of it and just hit the ground running.
Yeah.
And it sounds like your tire sales have improved as well.
Yeah, we had a really good month for tires. We started out really good this month with tire sales, even though we're not running the specials and on the alignments.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Is all of your other business picked up as well? That's on you guys. I mean, that's all picked up, hasn't it?
A lot of businesses picked up, but you know, that's been a real focus point because it's every customer every time coming across the drive.
Mm-hmm.
And so we're able to stay focused on it. And it's something that we do every customer every time that we can.
And that goes back to where you get your numbers. I appreciate Ron letting us come in here and film and take time out of their busy day.
We'd like to thank the Crain Group for allowing us to come and shoot this video and show you all the great products that they have got in the shop here. The beautiful building that they have, allowing us to put our products in and being a Hunter advocate and putting our equipment in to help them maximize profits through efficiency. So Ron, we'd like to thank you. Obviously Ken is the business consultant and rep for this area. I am the business consultant rep for the Northwest Arkansas area, and we'd just like to thank everybody for using our products and keep pushing us through the system.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
Thank you.
Thanks again.
You bet. Thank you.